back again with another video. Kind of been taking a little break, you know. Get on here from time to time. The last time you guys seen a video, I messed up my transmission, and currently it happened again. So like I'm currently stuck in 4th gear. I don't know, man, to be honest. Kind of over it with the whole like manual like transmission braking all the time, but I mean, you know, it is what it is, you know. That's what I signed up for. So yeah, but this video's not here to just like rant and talk about that. I'm gonna just, you know, you guys been wanting some POV night pulls and cruises and stuff like that, so I'm gonna just go ahead and get you guys what you guys been asking for. I am gonna have the GoPro towards the exhaust, like so where you guys can't see the flames and the flame holding. It's my first time doing it, so hopefully it doesn't burn the camera. I don't know how it's gonna be, but yeah, let's get to it. Right now, so it's holding flame right now. Since we're doing a little POV, I might as well just talk about some stuff instead of just being quiet, you know. So I know a lot of you guys are in my comments on Instagram. A lot of you guys asked me about my manual swap. For the people that's on YouTube and you guys just look at my videos and you're not from Instagram, I post a lot of things on Instagram. So if you haven't already, just go follow me on Instagram. I'm more active on Instagram than I am on YouTube. So basically, with my manual swap, my car is manual swapped. It was automatic about 4 months ago. Since I went manual, I probably went through about 4 transmissions. Well, I'm on my 3rd one right now, and I have to swap this one. So this has been the best one. This one, at first when I got it, it didn't grind 5th. Every transmission I got before this one had grinded 5th, and I didn't know that when you get a transmission off, when you buy a used transmission and it's already grinding, it's already bad. So I didn't know that. So I kind of, you know, bought 3 bad bad transmissions. This one wasn't bad, but it had a lot of miles on it. So yeah, I eventually knew it was going to go out again. I just needed something that was fast, and I needed it back on the road ASAP. Back to talk about how my manual swap was. I paid for the first transmission. I basically paid about $600 for the first transmission. I got the first transmission, it blew. It got stuck in 5th gear. And then, so I was driving and I was doing a pull and it grinded 5th, and I didn't know when you grind 5th, I'm a new manual driver. I didn't know when you're grinding 5th, you don't bang the gear. So that's exactly what I did. And that's how I blew every transmission. I banged the gear and it literally, the gear fell to the ground. I didn't have 5th, and then I got home, I didn't have 6th, and then I was just going through the gears while the car was off. Because I can still put it in gear when the car is off. So I put it in 5th, and literally like the transmission just got stuck in 5th. So I like pulled it out, like I tried to pull it out as hard as I can. And it pulled out, but when it pulled out, the transmission got stuck in 5th, but my car was still in neutral. In my last video, you guys can see that how it was, when I like an example of like what I'm saying. Yeah, so that's basically what happened with that. As far as it goes, like what all you need to manual swap, you don't really need a harness, you don't need a brand new ECU, you don't need anything. Honestly, you just need a tune, because your tuner could switch the ECU to a manual ECU. Like it can convert it. There's a file, or there's not a file, there's like a thing that you can, I've seen it on the UpRev software where you can literally swap it over. Like it says manual swap, and you can literally swap it over. You don't really need that much. You just really need the transmission, the clutch, a pedal, obviously the reservoir to fill up the clutch fluid, the clutch lines, a drive shaft, and really not that much. I'm gonna get a low pull for you guys right here. Just falling apart. So now, by the way, I put the car back in neutral. That's, I don't know. I just like to, whenever I get done doing a pull, I don't know if it's good or not, put the car back in neutral. Alright guys, so that's pretty much gonna be it for this video. I got some pulls, got a lot of things. I need to work on my car, to be honest, bro. I need to get it back looking good. You guys see flames come out the exhaust. You guys see me do pulls. I don't know if I'm gonna throw the clip in where I raced in here. I raced G37. I kept missing third, and so my shifts for third was like really slow. I need to work on that. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, man. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe on this video. Let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this. I'll try to do more of these. I actually enjoyed this, man. I can just come out here and cruise, man, you know, like just get my mind off things. But yeah, man, that's gonna do it. Just gonna wrap it up for this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out there. So we got Boost City Eclipse versus 5.0 Fox body. It doesn't sound too much like Fast and Furious, to be honest.